Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the top. So as you can see on the third position from the right, we've got this crossed out clock icon, which symbolizes the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three different options. So we've got the option off, which is currently applied. We've got 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. And as you can see, this icon will be changed, so we can see the 10 inside the clock, and what's more, it is highlighted in this bluish color. So basically, all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and from 10 or 3, depending which option you've chosen, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. So basically, this is how it works. You can of course turn it off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.